How to fix Capcut error on PC. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Capcut error on PC. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first method I can teach you is to try to bypass restrictions with the VPN. So if you click on tab right here and you search for reliable VPN, you can see a lot of VPN that you can use. I recommend this ExpressVPN because although it's pricey, there's no downside to it since it is very reliable and other big corporations use this also. If you want, you can also use this NordVPN right here or NordVPN, and you can utilize the VPNs to bypass the restrictions. Because if Capcut isn't available in your country, you won't be able to access it, but with the VPN, you should be able to access it. So the next thing is to install previous Capcut version. So if you click and search for previous Capcut version for PC, so let's search for that. You can see this up to down. If you click on this link right here, you can see the older versions of Capcut. So let's scroll down, and here you can see the older version. So you just click on any one of them and just install it, and that should be able to fix your issue. So the next thing that I can actually tell you is to click on this search bar right here and then click on network and search for it. You can see this is the network status. Click on open, and from in there you can see the network status of your computer. So what you need to do is to just click on this network and sharing center, and then this will open a new window. So let's just wait for it. And in here you can see your network. So what you need to do is to just click on troubleshoot the problem right here in order to troubleshoot the problem on your computer. So that will be able to fix your issue, and additionally you can also change your DNS in order to bypass the restrictions of Capcut and fix the network error issue. So the next thing that I can tell you is to actually head over to the command prompt commands. So right now let's click on the search bar right here again, and let's search for command prompt. So here's command prompt right here. Make sure to run it as administrator. So click on it. Then after you have clicked on it, it will appear like this. So what I need you to do is to put in the code that I will tell you. The code is this right here. So just type in all this code one by one to the command prompt right here, and that should be able to fix your issue because this will clear the cache of your computer. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Capcut Network Error on PC. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!